What up, world? Today we in the kitchen, man. We about to get busy for real. Today we gonna cook some stewed chicken, some yellow rice, with some macaroni and cheese, Trinidad style, man. So come on, man, let's go ahead and get busy in this kitchen today, man. See how we throw it down for real. First thing first, man, we gotta wash our hands, man. So let's go ahead and get busy with this. Make sure your hands clean. Make sure you ain't got no dirt in the nails, you know. Or we about to throw it down in the kitchen. Always, man, you gonna be a chef, man. You gotta make sure them nails clean. Ain't no dirt in them, you feel me? Make sure they clean. Rule number one, make sure they clean, man. No dirt, nothing. Now we're gonna cut me a line. We're gonna clean the chicken for real. Cut a line. Squeeze it in there, you feel me? Now make sure your chicken clean, man. Squeeze that line all in it. And I'll pour me some vinegar too. Put a little bit of water in there. When you're done with the lime, you feel me? You're gonna wash it out real good. Kill that freshness. Wash real good, man. Now it's time to season the meat up, man. We gotta season this up for real. Put a little bit of garlic salt up in there. Got some lemon pepper. Then use some Tony's. With no salt though. Just the spices. Just the herbs and the spices you're gonna throw up in here for real. This a little bit of onion powder. I don't measure my stuff for it, I just throw it in there, you feel me? I make sure that, let's see what else I got up in here. Some of that dash free salt, no salt. Now my herbs and spices, man. Also put some green seasoning in there too. None of that, more Italian. A little bit of garlic powder. Also, we did put a little bit of garlic salt, but throw a little bit of powder up in here too. Not too much, just enough, just enough for it to taste right. Some parsley flakes. Put that up in here. The complete, yeah, we're gonna throw some of that up in here too. Not too much. It's all about putting that flavor up in there, you feel me? You gotta make sure you got that flavor. A little bit of black pepper. some paprika. You gotta put that up in there. Around it. They give it a nice little sweet little flavor too. No, we're gonna add the green seasoning up in there, you feel me? Yeah, the green seasoning is made out of shadow benny, garlic, lemon, some thyme, some mint. What else? Some thyme. Yeah, I already say thyme. So there's a whole bunch of green herbs for real. Most of them you can find them in the Spanish, one of them Spanish market. And they just gonna mix them up together, man. Once you mix this up together for real, you're gonna let that marinate for about 30 or 45 minutes. In the meantime, we're gonna prep the mac and cheese and the yellow rice. You also too, man, also make sure and taste your seasoning, man. Make sure you got enough salt in there. You don't want it too salty. Make sure you can taste that seasoning, you feel me? Make sure you taste that flavor for real. Let that marinate for real. Let it marinate all in that. That's gonna bring the flavor out. All them herbs. Yeah, we like to cook with a lot of green seasoning. We like to cook a lot of herbs for real. Let all of that marinate. Make sure that chicken get real flavor. Taste that real herbs. It's gonna be flavored so good, you be like, damn. Just gonna let it sit there for a lot. Put it in the refrigerator for about 35, 40 minutes. 45 minutes for real. By the meantime, we go ahead and prep the yellow rice and the mac and cheese. Now we're gonna cut some of these green bell pepper up. I always like to go buy my stuff fresh from the market, you feel me? I always gotta get it fresh for real. You wash it out, you wash it out good for real. So we're gonna do, we're gonna cut one. Put them in here to put the other one out for real. All that stuff in the bag. We're gonna cut them in half. I'm gonna go over here real quick. Always go buy your stuff fresh, man. Don't have it enough. Don't get it in the refrigerator for a couple of days. I like fresh stuff. Get yourself some green bell pepper, some red ones. Trying to whip it up. Right now we prepping for the yellow rice. I like putting this in my yellow rice. I make my yellow rice from scratch. I don't use the box. Gonna slice some bell peppers up. It's the green joint for real. Slice them up real good. You probably looking like, dang, they some big slice. Nah. Once you get in the pot and it start cooking for real, they gonna break up for real. So you don't need to do all of that. Once that heat hit it, you're gonna definitely, feel me, they gonna break up in the pot for real. We're gonna use the other cheese for the we'll use the other cheese, the other one, the other red pepper. Red bell and the other green for the stewed chicken. Cut them like that. Rinse them out real good. Cut them in half. Take all that out. Also, man, don't forget to like and share too, man. If y'all like to see more videos like this, I can bring them, man. I can throw it down in the kitchen, man. Y'all want to see some Caribbean style, some Trinidad style food? Yeah, I can whip them up too, man. I can whip all kind up. If y'all like to see more videos like this, man, let me know, man. Also, like I said, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. But back to the video, man. We're gonna dice these up real good. Same way. And so you cut it up big, you cut it small. I like cut mine big because, like I say, once that heat hit it, they gonna break up anywhere in the pot. I guarantee you, this yellow rice tastes better than the ones in the box. I can bet on that. And how I learned how to make this, man, I had to figure it out, man, because I like to eat a lot of different type of food. I was eating some, I think it was, I don't know if it was Puerto Rican. I think it was a Dominican spot. Cause all they used to cook for, I'm like, man, that shit hit for real. So I'm like, I gotta figure out the recipe for real. So, you know me, I'm gonna definitely get it. I'm gonna try to cook it myself. There you go. Learn how to cook that yellow rice myself, man. So dice that up for real. See the tomatoes, I like to cut them up like this for real. Tomato give it that nice flavor too. Give that rice that juice. Tomato give it that nice flavor in it. Fresh tomato. Yeah, it's a must. So just cut it up like that. You could use one of them little cutting boards for it to slice it up. But I just like doing it like this. This is my way. You can be all fancy with the cutting board and all that, but this is my way right here. This right here, I got 4 cups of rice. We're gonna wash the rice out. Wash it out, you feel it? Rinse it out, wash it out, whatever you want, you feel it? That's 4 cups for real. Getting busy in the kitchen today. It's my specialty, man. I love to cook. I say I love to cook. I love to cook, man. So you wash that rice up real good. Drain that water out. Next, we're gonna get the pot together. So we're gonna cut the stove on for real. Trying to get this right together. Also, I got the pot with the water for the macaroni, for the elbows. And let that, let the pot heat up for real, so all the water could dry out real quick. Then we're gonna add the oil. We're gonna let the water over here boil. Once that water start boiling, we're gonna add some salt to it. Then we're gonna throw the elbows in there, cook that. In the meantime, while this cooking, we're gonna deal with that. We're gonna deal with the rice. When we finish with the rice, then we're gonna come over here and deal with the macaroni. And we're gonna make that, you feel me? We're gonna make that mac and cheese, whip it up real quick. Y'all see that? The pot getting hot for real. So like I said, we're gonna wait till all that water dry out. So make sure make sure your stove, your heat on medium for real. We're gonna let that dry out, then we're gonna add the oil afterwards. So now we're gonna add the oil. Not too much. Once that heat up for real, we're gonna add all the green pepper, red pepper we cut up for real. We're gonna throw that in there with the tomato. Let that cook for a little while. Then we're gonna then we're gonna add the rice to it. But right now we're just gonna add all the red pepper, the green pepper, and everything in here. We're gonna throw that in there. We're gonna stir that up real quick. After all this red pepper and all that stuff, that gonna be chopped up. Once that heat hit that real good, yeah, that gonna be chopped up. So we're gonna add some butter. A little bit of butter, not too much. And mix that up. That butter give it that flavor too. Now we're gonna check this now. Ooh, never put your face over a pot, man. Y'all see that steam coming out? Never do that. And see, I told y'all, see that? We're gonna grab the rice. And throw the rice down in there. Put that bowl on the side. We're gonna grab the pack of air frying. We're gonna throw some of that up in there, you feel me? They give it that yellow color if you know what it is. See how it's getting yellow now? Don't give it that yellow flavor, man, that yellow color. That's so we making yellow rice from scratch. I'm gonna add some of these right here. I'm gonna add 4 pack of these. Y'all see that? Ooh, look at that. That's it. We're gonna add some water to it. So we're gonna add that water in there. So we're gonna add some salt in there. I use sea salt. That's the best salt to use for real. We can add the elbows in there. You feel? We gonna add these elbows. This ain't the box joint. There ain't no cheese in here. We gonna flavor all that mac and cheese from scratch. We gonna throw all that in there. And let that cook. Let that cook for about 10 minutes. In the meantime, let me get the oven up. Put it on 350. By the time that cooking, it should you feel me? For real, let that heat up. Then we're gonna deal with that, throw them in there. Now we're gonna stir it up a little bit, see all that water drying down. We're just gonna stir it up. Let it keep on rolling down for real, make it boil down, like I say, make all the water disappear. So all that water dried out, then you're gonna know for real. Come over here now. So we're gonna check this out. Yeah, it's been almost 10 minutes now, she good. We're gonna drain all this water out. Now we're gonna check the rice, y'all. See all that water done dry down for us? We're gonna stir it up. You don't want the rice to get stick at the bottom of the pot, man. You might get a little bit to stick at the bottom, but stir it up for real. That's it. All right, time to get busy with this mac and cheese, man. We're gonna crack 2 eggs, put them up in there. We'll put some heavy wet cream up in there, you feel me? We'll get busy with this real quick. A little bit more for her, not too much, but a little bit. We'll put 1 teaspoon of flour. Put a little bit more flour. We'll throw that in there. So we're gonna mix all this up together, man. And mix that up. Now see that? Mix that up real good. A little bit of whole milk in there. Not too much. That should be good right there. Mix it up now again. Pour a little bit of this in there. Some paprika up in there. You gotta season it. A little bit of black pepper. A little bit of parsley flake. A little bit of seasoned salt. We're gonna add some sour cream up in there. Yeah, you gotta add some sour cream, man. Let's give it some flavor for real. Add some sour cream. Sour cream give it some flavor. don't know about this right here. Mix all that up together. Start adding some cheese. We'll mix all that up together, man. Keep mixing it up. Some more cheese. Fiesta blend. I got the shredded cheese too. Put it in there too. Throw the rest of that in there. And keep mixing it up. That cheddar cheese up in there. Add some butter to it. Mix all that up together, man. Add a little bit more seasoned salt on that. A little bit more black pepper. A little bit more paprika. Not too much, a little bit more. Just mix all that up together, man. Mix it up. Some more Fiesta blend. Some more Fiesta blend in there. Some more cheddar. We'll mix, keep mixing. Make sure you get all that cheese, all that butter. Throw this in the oven for about 25 minutes. 25 to 30 minutes in the oven, shall we go. Some more heavy cheddar up in there, some more sharp cheddar. Some more cheddar cheese, some sharp cheese on there in the oven. The whole top up with some cheddar cheese now, man. Not just cheddar cheese, some Fiesta blend too. It's a mixture. Now they're gonna melt right in. Perfectly. Look at that cheesy top. Y'all gonna see when that come out the oven. She gonna be smacking. That's how I make my mac and cheese. Alright, let's go ahead and get this. Cut this other green pepper up. We're gonna get ready to stew that chicken now. The chicken is the last thing for real. We're gonna stew that last. We're gonna stew that. Same thing, the whole green pepper, the red bell pepper. All that gonna cook down in the pot. Once they hit it, they all gonna break up for real. It ain't gonna stay whole. This right here is for the stewed chicken. I like to put bell pepper in my stuff for real. You don't have to, but I like it. Cause like I say, give it more flavor to me. Some people just stew the chicken by itself. They already got all the green pepper and all that. I mean, all the green seasoning in it already, but I'm different. I like to add extra stuff, make it more flavor. You just don't want no plain stewed chicken. Sometimes you gotta take it to a whole nother level for real. Slice all this up. You want all the tomato juice, man. I'm gonna add 2 of them in there. Got the pot on for real. We're gonna let that water dry. Let all that water dry out first. We're gonna add the oil to it. Then we're gonna let the oil get hot. Then we're gonna throw the sugar in there. Time to stew this chicken, man. Time to throw some oil up in there. I like to use olive oil too. That's what I like to use. Throw some oil in there. That's good. If this should get hot, then we're gonna throw some sugar up in there. Some brown sugar, y'all. The dark brown sugar, not the light brown sugar. We're gonna use dark brown sugar. And it's a cheat code, you can use browning. We ain't gonna use that. We're gonna do it Trini style. We're gonna brown that sugar for well. Yeah, that oil hot now. Trying to throw that sugar up in there. Yeah, brown sugar, y'all. Throw it up in there. Hear that? Like 3 scoops for real. I'm gonna put a little bit more. And let that brown. Y'all see that sugar getting burned? Throw the chicken up in there. Don't run from it though. She won't burst, but you just gotta throw it in like that. Like that. Just throw it in there. Look at that. Ooh. We're gonna put it back in for like 3 more minutes. Look at that, looking good. Throw it back in for like 3, 5. I'll give it 5 more minutes. It's been 5 minutes now. Get that out now. That's what she look like. Ooh, y'all see that? Look at that. She look right. Look at that. She look right. It's been 10 minutes now. Time to check her now, baby. Look at that. Ooh. Y'all see that? How that chicken starch, how that brown that chicken is, man. So all these right here. The onion, the green pepper, and all that up in there. Throw all that in there, man. And we're just gonna stir up real good. You can add a little bit of water, but I ain't gonna add the water yet for real. I'm just let it cook still. Let it cook some more. Another 15 minutes. We'll come back and check it. Ooh, look at that. That's that stewed chicken, man. Trini style. And a little bit of flavor to it. We'll mix that all up for real. Let that butter melt real good. Nice good old stewed chicken, man. Look at that, man. Ooh. Flavor, man. I'm gonna let that cook. Let some of that go down for real. She done, man. Look at that. It's that Trini style stewed chicken, man. She's perfectly, man. A lot of gravy in there. So she done for real. Don't even put the cover no more. I let the pot make its own water. You see that? She done. That's a wrap. We done for the day, y'all. That's the aftermath right here, man. That's what you get. Stewed chicken, mac and cheese with the yellow rice, Trini style. Trini style. There's chicken stew, look at that. See how brown that is? See how brown that is? Look at that. Yeah, some of that water. I was gonna let some of that boil down, but we just be good. I might just, we just gonna leave it like boiling a little bit. But we done for the day. Trini style. And there you have it, man. Stewed chicken, mac and cheese. We got the yellow rice on the back here, man. Trini style, man. Y'all see that? Y'all see that, man? Look at that. Awesome, man. Don't forget to like, share. And if y'all like video like this, let me know, man. I'm gonna have them keep coming, man. Different type of Trinidad food. Or different culture food. Food that I know I can make. Like I said, man. See y'all on the next one.